How to log into BMO Harris online banking account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into BMO Harris bank account online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first steps first, open up a web browser, and after you do that, simply search for BMO Harris login, and after you do that, you will see this website pop up at the top. So there you will see sign in and bank online. So you can just open that website up. And after you open that website up, it will take you to this page here. So there you can see about this website. You can even download the app as well if you want to. And after you do that, you can sign in by tapping on the top right corner where it says sign in. So simply tap on sign in, and there you will see sign into BMO digital banking. Now if you do not have an account, there is also an option to register now. So you can register for BMO online banking from here. So you can do that, and after you create an account, you can come back here, tap on sign into BMO digital bank, and after you tap on it, all you have to now do is type in your user ID here, your password here, and if you want to make logging in easier for later on, you can tap on remember me as well. After doing that, tap on sign in, and yeah, you have basically logged in into your account. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.